What is your favorite fragrance by Kilian? Is it Love Don't Be Shy? Is it Good Girl Gone Bad? Is it Black Phantom? Today I'm going to be sharing 5 with you for men and for women. If you want to see what they are, stick around and keep watching. Here on this channel I cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. Of course, fragrance. So if you like any of those things or all of those things, make sure you smash that subscribe button. If you want to ensure you never miss a video, go ahead and tap the bell. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Sheree. Welcome, and if you are returning back, thank you so much. You are truly appreciated. Shout out to everybody whose birthday's in August. Yes, I can't stop talking about it. It is my birthday month, you guys. I will be talking about my birthday all month long. I always tell you guys that I am that girl who celebrates her birthday from the beginning of the month to the end of the month. It is a month-long celebration, so God willing, I will be celebrating my birthday all month long. I am sharing with you today 5 or more Kilian fragrances that I am obsessed with. They have this travel thing out. I believe I've been seeing it all over Instagram, all over the internet. I want that fragrance that has all 4 of them in there. They're like a travel size. You can get all 4. They're like 7.5 mils for like $195. I wanted to pick that up for my birthday. I went into, where did I go? Bloomingdale's, Saks Fifth, one of them, and they were all sold out, so I tried to order it online. It's all sold out. I am super upset about that, you guys, but my fingers are crossed that I am going to get it. It is meant. I'm putting it out into the universe that it's gonna become available, and I'm going to get it. So I'm gonna be sharing with you what those are, as well as my favorite from Kilian at the moment. Some of these are perfect for right now. Some of these would work a little bit more towards the fall, but since we're heading into the fall, hello, we're gonna jump on it. The ones that are in this particular set that I'm talking about, which I'll post a picture up so that you can see, would be, of course, Good Girl Gone Bad, Love Don't Be Shy, Moonlight in Heaven, and Woman in Gold. Oh my God, I smelled Woman in Gold for the first time. Amazing. Absolutely love it. So here are my favorites. Woman in Gold is the one that I would, because I was thinking, I don't want to keep buying a ton of different fragrances and then all of a sudden they go bad. I don't have enough time to use them. They're just sitting on the shelf. I like to spray according to how I feel. As I always say, I spray fragrance according to my mood. I use fragrances as an accessory. So when I'm getting dressed, I typically always have on some sort of black, some sort of gold. So I wanted to smell Woman in Gold, and you guys, it is so good. I have it here with me, and I just said, when I sprayed it in the store, I immediately went to a sexy place. You know what I mean? It's just what it says. It's like a Woman in Gold, sexy. It's more of a floral, it's vanilla, it's citrusy, it has bergamot in it, it has mandarin orange. I don't know, would be considered an oriental fragrance? Let's see. Maybe. Oh my gosh. But it's sweet at the end. It dries down. It's kind of sweet. You could see yourself wearing this on a date night. You could see yourself wearing this to like a theater, a play. I mean, this is just like a very sexy, kind of gourmand, dare I say it? Yes, a little bit. Filling to me, it has tonka bean in it. It has vanilla. Of course, it has patchouli. I love patchouli. Those are just some of the notes. This came out in 2017. It's really good, and this comes in the set that I'm talking about. It's more of a floral vanilla type of scent. She loves it, and it has citrus in it. You can smell the citrus in it as well. I wore all of these already, you guys. You know, I always do my wear test before I come to you, but I like to, you know, spray them again just to bring on the notes, and everything travels me. It sends me someplace. This is sexy. This is good. But I can also see wearing this in the daytime. Not right now in the daytime. It's a bit too heavy and it's way too hot to be smelling this thick and delicious. But it's citrus. You can probably pull it off on a like late summer night, but it's really good. So this is Woman in Gold. She's here for it. Absolutely love that. Okay, let's talk about the one that's at hand. Love Don't Be Shy. I didn't know people were talking about Rihanna was wearing this. I was liking this for a while. I had no idea Rihanna was wearing it. She has great taste. What can I say? This smells amazing. I was in the Kilian. It's not called the Kilian, you guys. I don't know where I was, okay? I was like at Bloomingdale's, Saks Fifth, Neiman Marcus, one of the 2 or 3 or 4. I was somewhere. I was at the Kilian desk, okay? At the Kilian counter. How about that? I was at the Kilian counter and I was spraying this and were telling me about it, and I'm like, yeah, but I'm like, this has always smelled good. This is not a new fragrance. It's been out since 2007. And this one here comes in the set that I'm referring to as well, that I showed you the picture of. This notes are neroli, it's bergamot, it's pink pepper. The middle notes are iris, jasmine, rose. It has honeysuckle in there, orange blossom. No wonder it has orange blossom. It smells just like everything it has. It's more sweet, sugar, it's vanilla, caramel, whatever you say. It's all those. I would love this around the fall. I would love this on a sun. Oh my God, I'm spraying this today. I can't. Oh God, yes. It goes with my outfit. Oh, she likes it. It's really, you guys, this is really good. I don't know, I smelled this some months back. Now I'm gonna start sneezing. I smelled this some months back when I first picked up my first set of Kilian, and I didn't buy it because I was pondering upon it. But this is like my third or fourth little tester bottle, and I'm like, I love it. So that's why I want that set, because it has everything that I want already inside of it. I went on the website, it's sold out, and they were sold out, but fingers are crossed. I'm going to go out again this weekend and I'll be looking for it. So as soon as I get it, I'll come back and share it with you guys. But I know I've been interacting and talking with a lot of you who got your hands on it. Lucky you. I'm still waiting for it. But if you're considering Love Don't Be Shy, it's really good. I would place this day, night. If you're gonna wear it in the day, I would definitely say more fall, winter. You can wear fragrance whenever you want, you guys. These are just my opinions. You know I always share that with you. On my body, I like the way it performs in more of a cooler set rather than a hotter set. So I would wear this at night, late at night. It's sexy, but it's sweet. It's very, just what it says. It's honeysuckle, it's orange blossom. Think of those notes. Think of a sweet girl, hair pinned up, maybe some pin curls. You know what I mean? You're really sexy, but you're very sweet at the same time. I just get a nice, sweet, sexy kind of vibe. Not a sexy over the top boss woman kind of sexy, but more like a shy girl. Oh my god, that's duh. Love Don't Be Shy. It is what it says. A shy girl. Get a shy, sexy girl kind of vibe. You know what I mean? Go there, go there, go there. Another one that was in there was, what was it? Oh my god, oh, I have another one to tell you guys about. I told you about Good Girl Gone Bad. Good Girl Gone Bad is in there as well. That smells amazing. So Moonlight Heaven. That's one that it won't have to grow on me. It's more fresh to me. It's more clean. Some of the top notes in that one would be grapefruit, lemon, pink pepper, coconut in it, tonka bean, vetiver. It's really good. It's not my favorite out of the four, but it's really, really good. Now, one that I like, and I believe men or women can wear that. Another one that was really good, I'm gonna go off for a quick second, is Forbidden Games by Kilian. This right here is amazing, and I had no idea. It's floral, it's fruity, you guys. The top notes would be apple, peach, plum. Middle notes would be rose, jasmine. Base notes would be vanilla and honey. It's a sweet, gourmand, but sexy kind of fragrance, and I really like it. Anytime, any place, just sexy. This is a head turner. This is a double take for sure. This is a double take. How would I classify this? It's just good. I mean, it's really good. It's sweet, and you smell the fruitiness in it. You smell fresh, clean, but at the same time more of a sweet, fruitier type of fragrance. You know what I mean? So I would say if you like a fresh, fruity, sweet type of fragrance, you might want to check out Forbidden Games by Kilian. This is for women. It came out in 2012. So make sure you give Forbidden Games a try by Kilian. It's really good. I don't know why that sun is like on me and I look like I'm red. I know I put a lot of blush on, but I don't know if I put that much on. One for men is Straight to Heaven by Kilian. Oh my gosh. It's woody. It's got patchouli. It's got rum. It's warm. It's spicy. It's sweet. It's got musk. It's got jasmine. It's got amber. It's got fruit. It's got nutmeg, white crystal. That's what it is. This is good. This guy right here, I could see a white shirt, a button up. He's got the first 2 or 3 buttons open. He may have a chain on, he may not. I don't know. He's definitely got a ring and a watch. He's sexy. I'm gonna say he's doing the most, but without doing the most, but he's definitely doing the most. This is a date night scent, but you could wear this to the club. I could see you could wear this to a nice lounge. I don't know if this is a guy gonna be wearing this to a steakhouse. I don't know. I don't really see this guy at the steakhouse. I don't know. He might be at the sushi bar though. He may not be at the steakhouse, you guys, but he's gonna be at the sushi bar. And that is Straight to Heaven by Kilian. And this is for men. This came out in 2007. Guys, if you're looking for something that's just gonna be not too much, but over the top at the same time, you gotta be able to go there, okay? You gotta be like not doing the most, but doing absolutely the most at the same time, because it's intentional. So you're not doing the most where you're not sure or know about it. You're doing the most and you did it intentionally, but you already knew what it was. You know what I mean? So it's one of those. Another one would be this guy here. Oh my gosh. Black Phantom. This came out in 2017. This is more sweet. This is more coffee. This is more caramel, rum, sugar cane. This is dark. This has got some heliotrope, some sandalwood. This has got some almond. Let's get a whiff of that. This guy might go to the steakhouse. Okay? Black Phantom. This guy is sexy. He's more in a dark car. He's got windows tinted. He's a boss. I could see this guy being a boss. I could see him being a boss. I could see him being very sexy, dressed really, really nice. He has exquisite taste. He might have a blazer on with an open button-up shirt. I don't know, but he smells really, really good. So if you're looking for something sweet, a little gourmand, a little rum, coffee type, I would definitely say give this one a try. Those are my top 5 Kilian fragrances at the moment that I'm absolutely obsessed with. Like I said, I was at the Kilian counter, picked up a ton of different samples, and I will be sampling and wearing these all month long, as well as my Tom Ford Soleil Blanc, because it's my birthday month. That is normally my August fragrance, but these smell really good. Love Don't Be Shy is just amazing. You've definitely got to try that. Like I said, you can get all 4 of these for under $200. Well, by the time you add tax, it'll be $200. With tax, it's about over $200, but before tax, it's only $195. So that's what I am looking for. That is on my birthday wish list. I cannot wait to find it. It's sold out, like I said, currently, but it's definitely on my list. Oh, and I'm also looking for, I'm gonna make the name up, you guys, because I don't know it offhand, but it's Francis Margel Baccarat 540. Everybody is telling me to smell that, and I cannot seem to find it, to smell it anywhere. So if you have that fragrance, if you know anything about it, if you're like, yes, Sheree, that's definitely one you want to try, put it in the comment section below. I need your help. I love to know what your thoughts are. It is Francis Margel. I'm making this name up. I know that already, okay? I do know it's something about Baccarat 540. Something of that. It's gold, beautiful bottle, some red writing on it. I'm dying to try that one. I will put a picture in so you know what I'm talking about. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, guys, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching. Bye.